Welcome back to Gracefully Simplified. I am Janine. I am your Christian financial coach. I am your go-to girlfriend for managing money with faith and intention. So all the new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching my video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey girlfriend, hey. I know I haven't posted a video in a long time. So this is going to be my savings update. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my So I started a savings challenge with my community. It was a 90-day savings challenge at the beginning of the year to help with your money to save because life is going to life. And let me just tell you, your girl, life has been lifing, okay? So make sure you watch till the end, okay? Because I definitely will be telling you about all of the updates. So the 90-day challenge actually ends April the 9th. I haven't really did an update on what I saved. This financial coach y'all see on social media when everything's perfect. But I want you to see the messy middle. I want you to see when things are not all together financially and it's like, what do you do, right? So this is real time. So let me just show you what I saved so far. So I had saved $100 so far. This is the money that I had saved and I needed to add towards it, but I didn't put it in here. I don't even know how much is in here because I had to dip into the money. But I just want to show you real time exactly what it is. This is the money I saved. Let's calculate. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 100. 2, 4, 6, 8. 200. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. All right, so wait a minute now. 100, 200, I think this is an I lost count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right, so this is 240, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So this is 250, and I swore I had more than that. This is only 250? Dang, I swore I had more than that, y'all. Oh my gosh. I thought that oh, look, I'm hot. And listen, y'all see that real time. No, like, listen, do y'all not see? I'm sitting up there hiding money from myself. This don't make no sense. Y'all are seeing it. I'm like, wait a minute, I know I saved more than that. Listen, seeing it real time, and I'm definitely not editing this out because I want y'all to see. I'm sitting up there hiding money for myself. So what did I say? This was 250, right, y'all? Because 48. 250. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is 300. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 400. So all together, actually, all right, so let's calculate all of this. Let's take this money out, right? Because this is what? This is 100. This is 200. This is 300. This is 400, and then 450. Now let's take out what is in here. What's in here? There should be another 100. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 85, 90, 95, 100. So all together we have 550. Yup, that's what we say. 550. I think I probably put money in the back of this because I was going to do a video. I saved 550, but your girl is literally about to go to the bank and put it in my account. I just wanted to encourage anybody out here that, listen, that's why savings is so important because life is going to happen. So anyway, my car was in not a small fender bender, but listen, I'm going to be real. Let me just say, one of my kids got in a car hit. I'm just going to be honest and transparent. So they had to total it out because the repairs on the car was more than what the car was worth. So they totaled out my car and I didn't have a car. Maybe some people are aware or maybe this never happened, but when your car is totaled out by the insurance company, they send you a check. So they did send me a check. But the thing about it is, who feel like going to look for a car? I did not feel like going to look for a car. We buy used cars over here. Your girl is team no car note. So the money that the insurance company gave me, I'm sitting up there looking for a car. Now I had to add a little bit of my personal money, to be very honest. You know, not a lot, but enough to it. And I just recently bought a car on Saturday? Was it Friday? Just recently got another car on Friday. Let me just say, number one, not only did I have to get another car, but with a used car, I have to do some things. Like I got to put a battery into the car. And the owner of the car that I bought it from was very honest and transparent. Like, hey, it needs a battery and it needs the brakes on the car. This is what you get when you buy a used car. So I have to get brakes on the car. I need a battery. But not only that, one of the things that's the reason why I have to use the little savings challenge money, because number one, your girl money, all the extra money that I was putting toward the car is depleted. So let's be honest, because I had to do so many things. And then one of the things too, that I think is a really good learning lesson for just everybody or just all of my community is the car insurance. So my car insurance that I was paying on my older car was $197 a month. Now, this is a newer car. They were trying to charge me $400 a month. I'm like, yeah, absolutely not. So the insurance company that I had, I was shopping around. I said, absolutely not. This is a newer car. So why is the insurance higher? It should be cheaper because it's a newer car. So usually with newer cars, they got more bells and whistles on it. So I had to shop around for car insurance. Did I feel like doing all that? No. I did find a cheaper car insurance. So I end up paying for this new car. It's going to be $172 a month. But I had to pay a deposit of $264. And y'all know how it is, getting new car insurance and all that. But these are all the things you have to deal with. So you have to learn that life is going to pivot. And the thing about it is that even though I need to put this money back into my account for the car insurance and things that I have to pay now that wasn't in the budget. I have a little bit from my savings and my check. Yes, I added it, but I need more because I need to make sure that the bills that are already coming out, that money is not touched, but I needed to add more in here. So I'm gonna have to dip into the savings. I just wanted to show you guys, life is messy. Life is gonna happen. You gotta learn to pivot with your money. Everything is not always gonna be perfect. Thank God to have options. So these are things that I really was not expecting. And I did not want to tap into my emergency fund. I try not to use that at all costs. We're gonna go to the bank. We're gonna put this money in this account. And I wanna just bring y'all along with me. So come on this ride while we put this $550 that I saved on my Saving with Grace challenge. So we are in the car, y'all, and I am on my way to the bank, okay? So make sure you stick around. Let's go. So we're back from the bank and I put the money in my account. Sometimes in life, financially, things are going to happen. What you intend for the money to be, things happen out of the blue, and then you have to pivot, you have to change, you have to recalculate some things, refocus. I hope this encourages you to see that things don't always go as they're planned. Sometimes you have to spend your savings money, but I want to say I didn't go into debt for these new car expenses. I didn't swipe a credit card. I didn't dip into my emergency fund. This was a different savings. So with that being said, this is why I preach sinking fund. Make sure you have a sinking fund. It's so important. So this was just a little short vlog. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm definitely going to do some more content, so make sure you look out. And if you got to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. Make sure you send it out. And let me know in the comments, if you had your money allotted for a certain thing and then you had to pivot, how did you feel about it? Did it make you feel like you're feeling defeated because that's what you had the money for? Let me know in the comments. I'll know that you had got to the end of this video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. As I always say, budget with faith and prosper with grace. I love you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.